Please, if you want your mother to die, I'm quiet. You can have closing the delay. But back to looking at more powerful. She no allow what I want to be. Made it fast.
Yes. Have you subscribed to Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube? Have you followed on Longinus and Okote and Farms on Facebook? Please do so. This is where you watch these amazing, hilarious movies coming to you like bass. I love you all.
Subscribe to Chief Imo. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Chief Imo Comedy. Don't forget, because if you forget, you're missing something. Thanks for following and subscribing.
If you know they follow Chief Imo for YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, either you dey lose. Behind them, ever high BP. I better subscribe to Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube, then Anokute Longinus on Facebook page, then Instagram Chief Imo. If you know they follow my, then you dey miss, so you need to follow him. I'm telling you, I'm a living testimony. My dear BP
Hello viewers, hello everyone. My name is Longinus Anokute, aka Chief Imo. By the special grace of God, we just wrapped this wonderful project. It's a comedy movie. Of course, you know me of producing beautiful and interesting comedy movies. This one is titled International Doctors. I don't know, you must have watched me become a doctor, you must have seen me being a doctor, but this very one is exceptional because it is a very wonderful and a great mindset. It's not just like every other thing you watch now and then. Why shooting or why acting? I noticed something. Each production I worked on, you see people differently acting in different way, in different, giving it to me all the time. Their attention, their humility, their sincerity, their punctuality. In fact, everything is to be talked about. I really appreciate all my crew, my cast. God really blessed me with wonderful people that have God fearing. Because I say how your house is or how you are is how your house will appear. So I make sure I made my house a home where people can come and relax and work without quarreling, without any problem. So I am so delighted. I'm so happy that today we have wrapped. By the special grace of God, there's no casualty. Nobody was injured from beginning to the end of this production. There has been so wonderful testimonies. Akokoma soso kaina ako. Akokoma, we act like family. We eat together. We dance together. We sleep together. And we wake up together. And we work together. Everything worked for good for those of them who respect and fear the Almighty God. I also want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. In case you have not, you are not doing me any good. So please go to Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube, subscribe. My Facebook is Anokute Longinus and Fans. My Instagram is @Chief Imo. Apart from these three handles, any other one is fake. Or please say no to scammers, those people using my video, using my face to tell you to give them money for them to double it in the next 1 hour. They are all fake. If you give them your money, you are on your own. Chief Imo production, forward ever and backward ever. All my crew, I pray for you, good health. You all will go home successfully. No injury, no backstory. Everything positive. International Doctor is the title of this one. Expect a bomb. Anticipate. Tell your neighbors to tell their neighbors to tell their neighbors. When you do that, English kind of start. You gotta go. Oh my God, that's how you go, man.
Hello guys, hello everyone. My name is Merinki Onyemena, popularly known as Miss Kokoi, or you can call me Rebecca. Oh wow. Hey. We are on the set of Chief Imo production, Dr. Akas, the international doctor. On this, my character name is Nas P. P for Posh, but you can call me Posh Nas. The only nurse with ecclesiastical natural endowment. But that's by the way, guys. Always make sure you watch.
My name is Chidera Tedius, aka Comedy. Well, I'm in the set of Chifimo production titled Dr. Askas. I play the role of Izaga. Well, the character, I'm just a village boy, although I got employed in the hospital. Well, that's all. Hi guys, this is Chinaza Success Aya, aka Babina today, and in this production, I played as Onubajie Boys. In this movie, in Chifimo's production. So, and this movie is very interesting, intriguing, suspense, anything, comedy, anything you like, you will see it there.
My name is Tony Esther, aka Nurse Odioku Aside Hot Mokumoku. We're on the set of International Hospital by Chifimo Production. Please, you see this? I enter broken. You see this film? Now Bob.
Yeah, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your favorite boy, TC Okafor, aka Oga Director, aka Nollywood Baddest Son. So, guys, I'm on the set of Chifimo Production. The name of the movie is Dr. Akas, and I'm playing the role of Laptech. I swear, this one is something different.
What up, guys? I remain Okwa Remy Juice, also known as Remy O Remy. Actually, I'm the director on the set of International Doctors. I'm the writer and the director also under the stable of Chief Imo Production. Please, without wasting much of your time, I know you guys know Chief Imo already. He's a very comic actor. Probably you can just go to the YouTube. Anybody, if you're having BP or anything, just to cool your mind or have fun, maybe having a bad day, just go to his YouTube at Chief Imo Comedy. You can also visit him on Facebook. That's Anokute Longinus and fans. Then you can go there and watch. And please don't forget to subscribe. Once you get to his YouTube, subscribe and go to his Facebook and follow him. Follow his updates. Anything that he drops, follow the link, and I promise you will never regret it. I love you guys. Wait for this one.
We are on a set of Chifimo Production and we are cooking some delicious food for you. We are about to load a very wonderful comedy titled Dr. Akas. Watch out, coming your way very soon. And I'm always there, Kankwe, Sheiken, and whatever. Just watch out and see. It's a very nice comedy.
Got it!
Chief is preparing for war.
Madam, open leg. I don't really like Person go get bad dream, get bad malaria. You dey worry and worry, but you no go treat am. If you dey run bad, you go say spirit wait. Spirit of God na anywhere you see am, you dey go. You no dey go where there is no space. And then bug up by any money. Uncle, Eshigbo road to not so quick na ka ala ni ile.
Oh yeah? And I love smart kids.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. What's wrong with you? Oh my gosh. What's wrong with you? Are you crazy?
We are picking up.
Hey! Onyala! Okay. Thank God you are here.
Stop it! Stop it! Oh no! Oh my goodness! What am I doing? Can you stop it now? Oh, stop it! This is not for you! Oh my god! What? No! Stop, please! Can you stop it? Can you stop it?
Oh, this one's still rolling. Right.
So for now, okay. Oh yeah.
Cut it! I want them ball now. Wait, they want the leg. I'm going to go off people. They say, oh, my God. Oh, no, I'm a chief. Cut away.
Orúkọ. Ìwọ.
What are you looking at? Well, again, making hook at all. Therefor. Who festival? Pick up. I say you go come out for here. Who will shoot this female? Anybody
will laugh again. Everybody will laugh again. Now 500.
Let's go.
You cannot do it.
Okay, sorry guys,
Let's go.
Take this in.
Stop, where? Here. Oh, where?
Come on, tie this in here. You don't know where we used to tie it. Where did I say you should tie it? Huh? Where?
Here,
Where? You dey see at all? You get 439. 3 there for your front. You know how to act and to listen. Okay, then jump. Then shift. Ordinary doctor, ordinary. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Take it. Hold it. Easy. Hey.
Chiefimo! And this is the making of international doctor. Expect a bomb. Nke a ga-adụ the international doctor.